Alicia, and welcome to my very first vlog. I didn't do an intro to this vlog, so I thought, you know what, let me just film one quickly. Yeah, I hope you like this kind of content. I don't really do this kind of content. Didn't think I was gonna do this kind of content, but I thought, you know what, let me just do a little day in the life. Let me see how it goes. It might not be the best day in the life, but it's something, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think. Please can you like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you never miss out on a video that I post. So without further ado, let's get into today's vlog. So it's a Saturday morning, and usually I wake up around 8 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I wake up earlier, sometimes I wake up later, it just depends. And the first thing that I like to do in the morning is pray. I really think it's important to thank God for everything that He has done for me so far in my life, and just thank Him for being alive and well, and also thank Him for everyone around me. Once I finish praying, then I just like to make my bed in the morning. It just makes the room look clearer. It makes my head feel clearer, because if I don't do my bed in the morning, like, I just feel like my head's a mess. I don't know if anyone else feels like that. After making my bed in the morning, there are other things that I fit into the morning routine, but I'll probably include that in a different vlog. So once I finish making my bed, I will have a shower and just get on with my morning routine. So I will brush my teeth, wash my face. I like to use like a cleanser to just cleanse my face first, and then I'll use like a face wash. And I always pat dry my face in the mornings after washing it. I'll also use serum on my face. I'm not really like a skincare guru, but I'm trying to get myself together with my skincare routine, and I'm just trying out a lot of different things at the moment. Then once I finish doing my skincare routine, I will go in with my breakfast. I usually have oats in the morning with banana every morning. I try to have this every morning anyway, because at the moment I'm trying to like put on muscle mass, so oats is like really good for doing that. And also it's brain food, and at this point in time I was trying to finish my dissertation, and yeah, I needed to be aware, I needed to be awake. I usually add banana into my oats because it just really adds a nice sweet flavour to it, and bananas are healthy, so it just helps me to get in one of my 5 a day early in the morning. I love having a green tea in the morning. Very refreshing, and it just helps me just start the day properly. So then I will go in and fill up my water bottle for the day. I like to drink at least 3 of these a day. Don't really do it every day, but I'm trying to be more consistent with my water intake. And then I'll sit down, put on some TV, and just eat my breakfast. I like to take my cod liver oil capsules every day, because otherwise I'm not going to get my omega-3, because I don't really have that much fish or anything. So yeah, I like to take that, drink my water, eat my breakfast, have my tea, and then get on with the day. I also like to read a good book, so I will read for at least half an hour a day, but sometimes I get carried away, so who knows when I'll finish. So guys, basically today, yesterday I went to get a new table. This one's from Argos, and at the mall, literally my dad is just putting this together for me. So I'm gonna all I need to do now is put the drawers in, and then my table is ready. So I'm probably gonna just like film me organizing my table and stuff. Also today, like, the equipment for my HR internship is coming, so I can maybe assemble that, put that on my desk, and just lay it out nicely and stuff. Because I'm working from home, so on some days, and then there's other days when I get to go in the office, so they're gonna send me like a laptop and a headset. So yeah, I just decided, you know what, new job, fresh start, let's get a new table, because my old one, like, it wasn't even flat, like the surface, the top surface, like, yeah, it wasn't even flat. Like, don't ask me, the table just weren't flat. It had its use, but now, yeah, it was time for something new. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me just back this up so you can see. This is the finished look. Isn't that lovely? Sorry about all the light streams and stuff, because of my blinds, like the light's just all weird. Okay, so I'll just show you like what I put on the desk. So basically this is basically a fake plant that I got from Matalan. And this did not come with the plant, so I got the plant from Matalan, and then I got this from the range, and I just put it in because I thought, oh, that's nice, it's marble, and it just blends in with this, it blends in with the calendar. Yeah, this mug was actually a present from my parents and my sister when I graduated from the University of Manchester. They got me this, and they also got me a cushion as well. It was really cute. Obviously I got my laptop on here. I've got a nice little calendar, hold on, just there. And then I have another monitor. This is a Dell monitor. I don't know like where my dad must have got it from his workplace or something when he was working at a certain place. So that was nice for me, because now like I can like connect the screen up to my Mac, and I can look at 2 different displays and get my work done. And also just behind here is just like a little storage thing where I put my pens, whiteboard pens and all that kind of stuff. I got that from the range as well. Stapler, I have no idea where that comes from, like that's my dad's. Okay, and also just hiding over here, I bought a little plant from Matalan today actually. Should have brought you guys with me actually, but you know, this is my first vlog, so allow me. And then in here, in the drawers, I've just got like my MacBook case and my Beats and just like all the little accessories and stuff like that. Because I've just put it up, I don't really know what I'm going to put in the rest of the drawers yet, so I haven't filled them up yet. But yeah, this is my table. Hi guys. This is different. This is really different. Sorry if this is not perfect, guys. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I've never vlogged in my life. This is the first time. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, basically like I'm gonna show you guys like my board, because I have like a whiteboard and I write like 3 main goals on my whiteboard for the day. I'm gonna be really honest with you, I'm not the most perfect student at all. Like, things go wrong a lot of the times. What I mean by that is I don't finish the to-do list, like, hardly. But I'm working on that. I'm really working on my productivity and stuff like that. So guys, I'll show you guys like my list, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So guys, as I said, what I do is I write 3 main important things that I need to get done in the day. So I'm just going to write the day down. I think today is the 12th of September. And the 3 main things I want to get done today is, so basically, if you guys don't know, if this is the first time you're watching, I'm a HR student. I'm literally about to finish my master's degree. I've got a month left, so I really need to finish my dissertation. So I've basically needed to work on, part A of my systematic review. I'll probably do like another video on like what that is and stuff, because I'm not actually doing a dissertation because of the COVID crisis. That kind of messed up like my plans of how I wanted to do things and how I wanted to interview people. So now I'm just doing like a review of the literature in HR. So there's different parts and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna finish part A. Actually no, I'm not gonna finish part A, that's a lie. That's not getting finished today, I know that. I'm going to add results to part A, and then I want to write like 500 words of the recommendations as well. does not look like recommendations at all. That just looks like a load of like squiggles. Anyway, yeah. And what's the final thing I want to do today? I'm also gonna go to the gym at 8 p.m. That is not PM, but yeah. And I'll take you guys along to the gym with me. I go to the gym literally about 6 times a week. I started doing that regularly from the 1st of September, literally like 11 days ago. So yeah. So guys, I just wanted to show you like a preview of like my work setup and like what I'm trying to do. So as I said, I am working on part A of my systematic review. Essentially, the systematic review, it's basically just a review of the literature on a specific like area that you want to target. So instead of me going out and collecting primary data, I'm using secondary data to conduct my research, to just basically provide an overview of what's going on in what I'm trying to do. So I'll just break it down for you so you understand. Wait, let me just turn the camera on. All right. Sorry guys, my arm was hurting, and yeah, the what is it called? The ring light and stuff is just not cooperating with me right now, so I just leaned you down against my plan. So the systematic review is literally just broken down into 4 different sections. So the introduction and the methodology is the first section, and in the introduction what you're essentially doing is outlining what your research question is, and you're making sure that that's very, very clear to the reader. The methodology section is like the data that you've collected, how have you gone about doing that. So because I'm not doing a dissertation, I didn't collect primary research, I collected secondary research instead. So I had to kind of go through like a whole load of articles on like a database and actually minimize it down and eliminate certain ones that did not fit the criteria that I was looking for, in order to find the best papers to talk about the question at hand. I had to do that like using Excel. Like I literally went through and I had to read like the abstracts and the titles to see like if they actually, you know, corresponded to what I was trying to find. There was like 200 and something, so I had to like break that down. My final like inclusion papers were down to 24, and that was including grey literature. So grey literature is just kind of like reports and stuff that are based on the research at question. So like, you know, from professional bodies and stuff. So I found reports from like the CIPD, and I went on like this other database kind of site which also found some like articles that would help me to write a paper. So 24 are used in total. So the next section is the part A of the systematic review, and that talks about like the themes that you found in the paper. So like what you're looking for is like similarities and differences between the literature, and like how is the literature responding to like what you are trying to find, like what is the evidence around HR and their role in corporate social responsibility. That's the kind of thing that I'm doing for part A. And then part B is more results, the methodology within the papers that I found. So like if it's qualitative, quantitative, if it's mixed methods, and what was some of the data analysis and like the data collection. I need to find out if there's any limitations. Is it ethical processes going on? And then after that, and let me just mention, part A and B can be merged. So depending on how you're trying to write it, you can merge it and stuff. And then the last part is literally the recommendations. So that is talking about like what you would recommend for practitioners to do in order to incorporate things to improve what the literature is already showing us. So for me, I can see that in HR, the role of corporate social responsibility is kind of mixed. Some HR professionals like are all for it, some aren't even educated on it enough. Some don't think it's their responsibility to kind of look at, where some do. Top managers sometimes feel like HR don't even have like any importance in their CSR strategies. What I would do then is recommend how HR can then put some of the things that the literature even say into actual practice, and ensure that this is something that is developing throughout this decade, because what I'm looking at is actually like real life things, and with HR we can improve the way that they look at CSR and ensure that it's part of what they do, like, but a better, a bigger part, because right now it's not. it's not. I don't see a lot of papers like advocating CSR and the HR CSR relationship. So that's basically what I'm doing. So guys, I'm about to go to the gym, so I'm going to take you guys along with me so that you can see like a few of the workouts that I do and stuff like that. So guys, basically I went to the gym, and imagine the gym was closed when I got there. Silly old me didn't check the opening times. But because of the whole coronavirus, like, they shut their gyms early in it. Future Leash back again, guys. I just want to thank you for watching my video. Didn't make an outro to this video either at the time I did it, so I was like, okay, let me just film an outro as well. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you saw a few like bits and insights into like what I do my day as a HR student. And if you kind of like this content that I'm putting out and you want to see more of this, you want to see more highlights, different details of my day, because I didn't incorporate everything, then let me know. Comment down below, guys, and give me some feedback on it, and we'll see what we can do. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.